This our Leon boy, Kabir technician, HVAC. Say me to take video of today's work, changing compressor. 20 years old
Okay, 20 years old.
machine. This carrier
30 years
10 ton one, 5 ton one compressor each. So we are changing one compressor 5 ton. This is the old compressor LRA 125, and we will put the new one, this 130. So it can be okay, no problem. Where is bush? Down. New bush. New bush मौजूद down. See, 20 years old, free on black.
Okay, 20 years old, 30 years old.
30 years old, sorry.
Baba,
See this Baba.
how many years this go?
Machine almost in the
Need this one, Baba.
need to change, but Baba like this machine too much. And our Mr. Leon don't like Baba. Even he don't like Baba, he have to work here. This is Gulf.
That's one. Our customer report from mobile. This machine, I tell you.
This is
This machine.
carrier, right?
Carrier.
Carrier 30 years old machine. Now we are fixing compressor, changing compressor. I remember my old days when I work in workshop, bring this big cylinder like that and flushing and flushing. So today I am repeating my old things. This big like that we have 2 cylinder. But first time I lifted on my shoulder today. Before Mafi shoulder, just we 2% carry in the hand, slow, step by step.
But then you cry, huh?
Yeah, this maybe I am 16, 18, 19, that time I hold this whole
No
cylinder.
problem. In the
But now technician is too much advanced. Before for one gas charging we bring this cylinder.
me
Oxygen, this one big we bring in the building. For changing only this fridge compressor. Why?
before
Yes. Now technician become advanced. Just one bag, they can gas charge. Self vacuum everything. But before, when I am 2003, we carrying like that 2 cylinder. One nitrogen, one oxygen. After that LPG we borrow from customer. Buy give.
But now,
But now advanced people, just small bag they can charge, window AC, split AC. See the welding set. This acetylene and oxygen high speed. Before we use LPG and oxygen. This is our senior. Now he is last few months is working in this company. He will go to America, USA.
she will go
Exit. Or maybe me will go. Maybe I can also go. I don't know.
You in the south with me, no having ski.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Even
This is my actually new experience. Putting hand in big AC. It looks same. My friends say who work in Blue Star or in airport, they say big AC is sold very easy than smaller one. But I scared of see when I see this look very big and big.
this one na mo jutsu so.
No, not like that. I say, yaar, this fan too much big. So I'm talking about my friend who work in Blue Star or in airport, Qatar airport. They say it's look just big, but not difficult. Like splits. Splits is too much headache. They speak.
This one not be muski.
Okay. Now I will end my video, and we will continue later on.
Later on.
Please subscribe my friend channel, Leon USA. Signing out.